Hello and welcome to the session. Today I'll help you with the following question. The question says, the adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. First part of the question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? Next part is, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? The third part is, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. First, let's analyze the pie chart given to us. As you can see in this pie chart, we are given the central angles for each subject, like 90 degrees is the central angle for mathematics, 65 degrees is the central angle for social science, 80 degrees for science, 70 degrees for Hindi and 55 degrees for English. Now let's move on to the solution. Let's try answering the first part of the question, which says, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? In the question, it's given that the total marks obtained by the students were 540. So we say total marks is equal to 540. These total marks corresponds to the complete angle at the center, which is 360 degrees. So we say that for 540 marks, the central angle is equal to 360 degrees. We are supposed to find the subject in which the student scored 105 marks. So for this, we will calculate the central angle. Then, according to that central angle, we will find out which subject it is. So, for 105 marks, the central angle would be equal to 360 degrees upon 540 multiplied by 105. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0. We know that 6 times is 36 and 9 times is 54. Then again 3 times is 9 and 35 times is 105. 2 times is 6. So this becomes equal to 2 degrees multiplied by 35, and this is equal to 70 degrees. Thus we say that for 105 marks, the central angle is equal to 70 degrees. Now let's have a look at the pie chart again. As you can see in this pie chart, the central angle 70 degrees is for the Hindi subject. Thus we say that the student scored 105 marks in Hindi subject. So the answer for this part is Hindi. Let's answer the next part of the question, which says, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? We will find out the marks obtained by the student in mathematics as well as in Hindi, and their difference would give us the answer. We already know that for 360 degrees central angle, the marks are 540, To obtain the marks obtained in mathematics, we will find out the marks corresponding to the central angle for the mathematics, and that would give us the marks for the subject. As you can see in the pie chart that the central angle for mathematics is 90 degrees. So we will calculate the marks corresponding to 90 degree central angle. That is, we have that for 90 degrees central angle, the marks are 540 upon 360 degrees multiplied by 90 degrees. Then again 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 9, 4 times is 36. Also 4, 135 times is 540. So this is equal to 135. Thus we get that for 90 degree central angle, the marks are 135. So we can say that mathematics marks is equal to 135. In the same way, we will find out the Hindi marks. Let's see the central angle for the Hindi subject in the pie chart. As you can see that 70 degrees is the central angle for Hindi, and also that for 360 degrees central angle, the marks are 540. Thus we say that for 70 degrees central angle, the marks are 540 upon 360 degrees multiplied by 70 degrees. This 0 is cancelled with this 0. 9, 4 times is 36. 9, 6 times is 54. Then again 2, 2 times is 4, and 2, 3 times is 6. 2, 35 times is 70. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 35 equal to 105. Thus, for 70 degree central angle, the marks are 105, which corresponds to the marks in Hindi. Thus, we have Hindi marks is equal to 105. Now, the difference in mathematics marks and Hindi marks is equal to 135. That is, the marks obtained in mathematics is 135 minus 105, that is the marks obtained in Hindi. This is equal to 30. So we say 30 more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi. This answers the second part of the question. Let's see the third part of the question, which says, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. For this, we need to find out the marks obtained by the student in social science, mathematics, science and Hindi. We already have found out the marks obtained by the student in mathematics and Hindi in the second part of the question. Now we shall find the marks obtained in social science and science. We already know that for 360 degree central angle, the marks are 540. First, we will find out the marks obtained in social science. For this, let's see what is the central angle for social science in the pie chart. As you can see that 65 degrees is the central angle. Using this central angle and this fact, we can find out the marks obtained in social science. So we have for 65 degrees central angle, the marks are 540 upon 360 degrees multiplied by 65 degrees. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. and 9, 4 times is 36, 9, 6 times is 54, then again 2, 2 times is 4 and 2, 3 times is 6. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 65 upon 2, which is equal to 195 upon 2, and this becomes equal to 97.5. Thus we say that social science marks is equal to 97.5. Now we shall find the marks obtained in science subject. We know the fact that for 360 degrees central angle, the marks are 540. As you can see in the pie chart that the central angle for science subject is 80 degrees. So we say that for 80 degrees central angle, the marks are 540 upon 360 degrees multiplied by 80 degrees. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled, and 9, 4 times is 36, and 9, 6 times is 54, 2, 2 times is 4, and 2, 3 times is 6, then again 2, 40 times is 80, so this becomes equal to 3 multiplied by 40, and that is equal to 120. Thus we have science marks is equal to 120. And we have already found out in the second part of the question that mathematics marks is equal to 135 and Hindi marks is equal to 105. We have to find out the sum of social science marks and mathematics marks, and this is equal to 97.5, that is the social science marks, plus mathematics marks, that is 135. This is equal to 232.5. Next we have to find sum of science marks and Hindi marks, and that is equal to 120, that is the science marks, plus Hindi marks, that is 105. And this is equal to 225. We have sum of social science marks and mathematics marks is equal to 232.5, and sum of science marks and Hindi marks is 225. We see that 232.5 is obviously more than 225. So we say, yes, sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. Hence, the final answer for the question is, for the first part it's Hindi, for the second part it's 30 marks, and for the third part it's yes. So hope you enjoyed the session. Have a good day.